Oh. And the car on my balls. We have many things here to do. So behind me is Rajamangala, the national stadium. Is huge. It's huge, but we are not here for this. I want to show you what you can do in Bangkok when you have really bad day, like a raining day. It's a real kids paradise. Even adults like me can feel young again. It's really cool place. And on the end I want to try the ice ski Fashion Island, the very big mall in Bangkok. And this is the biggest playground we ever see with Alex. So today we will spend time here. If I find my baby. Oh, okay, he's here. You need to buy tickets here. So the main entry is over there, but you need to go on the right and buy tickets first, so you will not waste 20 minutes. The lady here help you to buy the tickets. You need to scan line and then you just register yourself. For kid it's 400 baht per 2.5 hours, and for adult 150 baht for 2.5 hours. So it's like, it's good price. Yeah, let's go. Now they have a Starbucks. And where we go now? Oh no, snake! From me, I need you to stay right there. I'm coming right away, my dear. Try this, try that, try everything. Coming right back. Won't you wait for me? I need you to stay right there. What? You track? Today we come to the biggest indoor skate park. So I have a skate with me. Yeah, it looks like it's for free. Wow. Wow. She can be like maybe 6, 7. So sad to see this place so empty. It's like 3 o'clock, so it should be full of kids, but it's almost no one here. Totally empty space. Why? I think everyone prefer to be a YouTuber right now. They don't care about sports. I think 7 kilometers in Bangkok is interesting. I'm arrived to BTS station. Need to change my rollerblades for shoes and buy tickets. Yeah, and go home.